We're joined now by Uyghur activist Abdulwali Ayub, who spent 15 months in a detention centre in Xinjiang. He is speaking to me from Oslo, where he runs the Uyghur Help charity. Abdulwali, thank you for being with us. How many children do you believe have been taken into these state-run orphanages?
In 2018, we have documented in Istanbul, and we gathered those parents in the hotel. At that time, we documented that more than 200 children separated from their family and sent to the kids' camp with a different level. It's in 2018. Yeah.
So is it just children of detained people who are in these orphanages, or is it other Uyghur children as well?
There are other Uyghur children, but those children we identified in Istanbul from the Uyghur community living there.
But how many children in total are in these orphanages? I'm just trying to get a sense of, the scale of the issue.
Depending on the study, it's more than 900,000 kids are in different level of boarding schools and boarding kindergarten.
900,000, that is a huge number. What about your own family? Do you know where your family members are, your brother, your sister?
I know my younger sister. She arrested in 2017 and she's sentenced 12 years, I learned recently. And my older brother, Erkin, he sentenced 14 years recently. And I have a niece. She forced to back to China in 2019, June 18th, and she died during the investigation. The place where I first arrested and raped her. So I feel very sorry for her because she died at the same place I was tortured and I was raped. So I don't think the Chinese government killed her. The humiliation, the torture during the investigation killed her.
We have just been hearing from the UN Human Rights Council, literally in the last few minutes, who are in Geneva. And they have issued a statement about the situation with the Uyghurs and have said, we urge China to allow immediate, meaningful and unfettered access to Xinjiang for independent observers. That has just happened from the UN. You would support that move. Very briefly, what else should be done by the international community?
I think this investigation should do, and we should access what's happening there. Like it keep as a secret for 6 years. It started 2014 until now. It's already 6 years, and some of Uyghurs already died, like my niece. So we should investigate what's really happening, and the Chinese government should tell the world that what happened to those people who are died and who are still missing there.
Abdulwali Ayub, thank you very much.